Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make a delightful cranberry orange cookies. They are packed with dried cranberries, pistachios, and fresh orange zest and juice. You get a burst of flavor in every bite. They are very soft and perfect for holiday baking. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make cranberry orange cookies. Here I have got half a cup of dried cranberries and half a cup of pistachios. Add it to a blender and crush it coarsely, or you can just chop it with a knife. This is how it should be, nice and coarse. Just keep it aside. We need a tablespoon of orange zest. Grate and keep this aside. We need some fresh orange juice. You can also use store-bought if it's not available, but fresh orange juice gives that nice citrusy flavor and taste. Into a mixing bowl, add 3/4 cup of butter. It should be soft at room temperature. To this add 1 cup of brown sugar. You can also use white sugar. With an electric mixer, cream this together for a minute. Scrape the sides of the bowl and keep blending for 1 more minute. Add 1 egg and beat until well blended. In this stage, add vanilla extract. I am using a teaspoon of vanilla powder. Blend again until well combined. Now I am adding a tablespoon of fresh orange zest and 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice. Combine all these ingredients well. This is 2.5 cups of plain flour. To this I am adding half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda and quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Combine all these dry ingredients well. Now let's add the dry ingredients to the creamed mixture in 2 portions. Let's add the second portion and give a gentle knead. Add chopped cranberries and pistachios. Mix everything well until you form a dough. Cranberry and fresh orange, they blend beautifully. These cookies melt in your mouth. They are perfect cookies to add to your Christmas holiday baking list. If you feel your dough is little dry, go ahead and add some orange juice. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Dough is nice and soft, easy to work with. No need to put this in the refrigerator. Using an ice cream scooper or a spoon, scoop and place it on a baking sheet. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Cranberry orange cookies are done. For me it took 10 minutes. Place it on a wire rack, let it cool down completely. For the glaze, add a teaspoon of grated orange zest, half a cup of icing sugar, add gradually little by little, and 2.5 teaspoons of fresh orange juice. Mix everything well until you get a smooth consistency. Once the cookies are cooled, drizzle the glaze on top. It has to set, so let's stand until set. There you go. Cranberry orange cookies are beautifully done. They are perfect for tea time, treat, or even for a gift. If you love cranberry and orange, you need to try this delightful holiday treat. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.